peeps, Candace here with Cam's Only One Life. I'm going to work on my mail art now. The theme for this month is home is where the heart is. So I decided I wanted to try to use some washi tape to do this, and the reason that I need this to be a little bit quicker of a process is that I had jury duty this month and just all kinds of stuff going on, trying to get back into the fall swing. And so I need this to be a little simpler, and we're just going to try some washi tape. But first I'm going to do some spraying because I need some nice, I don't know, for some reason I like the idea of a blue door, a bright blue door, and so I'm sort of stuck on that, so I'm going to do some spraying. So I had a false start. I thought I would use up some washi tape and do this, and I cut that door out of this nice blue paper, and so I don't like it. So I'm gonna do something different. I have these old houses that I did. I just sprayed papers and then cut out using one of my dies, and so I think I'm gonna use these. I still have a bunch of them, and I think I'm gonna use these. So let's try something different. So there they are. I had fun making these. These were good. These were fun. So if you want to join the swap and get a Home is Where the Heart Is envelope, we send in 5, send them to me, I sort them and send them back out. You'll get 5 different ones from 5 different people. And you just send me those and $5 postage, and that covers first class mailing with tracking and everything. So the link below to get to the group is just below, and then you'll see the swaps right at the top of the page, so you should be able to go over there. If you don't want to use Facebook, just email me. I've got a few people that email me to join, and so that is a great way to get in. Also, I wanted to let you know that Etsy is having a special sale. So the link to my store is below. If you spend $25, you get $5 off. And if you spend $35, you get free shipping. So if you spent $35, you would get $5 off and free shipping. I just placed an order, and so you could go over there. You could go to any Etsy store, but I would hope that you would come to mine and buy something. Anyway, so links below to get to the store if you're interested. So I'll see you at the group swap. If you do sign up by email, I will send you all the information that you need for the swap, where to send it, all the rules and everything. So there's this swap, and then there's the ATC swap. I hope you come join me. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're having a great day. Have a great weekend.